Hello everybody, it's Brad here doing this food review. It's from Dairy Queen. It's cinnamon roll clusters. It has a cinnamon roll swirl to it and some clusters with it. Now I'm going to try it and see how good it is. Mm. Mm. Very good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Well, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like or yeah, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. And it certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye. Da 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 da